Hello and welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're looking at the 2-gang white light switch, one side intermediate, one side two-way. So on the back here you have your barcode with a QR code, takes you to all useful things on the website, trendyswitch.com. Your barcode here and stock code 29 white product, 2 is for two-way, 9 is for intermediate. Got your recycling symbol here. Make sure you recycle all the packaging when you're doing your install. Let's get it open. So that's the switch, your screws, your instruction leaflet. This is your packaging. Can have a cup of tea now. Use your packaging and put it in your recycling bin. So, instruction screws, these will go into your normal pattress back box, be dry lining, metal, etc. This is your instruction leaflet. One side has got all our social connections on it, one side has got a phone number, email address, live chat details. Got a scan QR code here. This will take you straight to the technical pages on our website for all kinds of useful tips and tricks installing Trendi switches. The light switch here, quick 360. Okay, so we're going to get the plate off ready for install now. So just going to put the plate down. These are your two modules, two light switches. So on the back, because this is a 2.9, which is one side two-way, one side intermediate, you'll note there's a distinct difference between the modules. These modules are also interchangeable, but for this instance, your two-way has 3 terminals, and your three-way or more has 4 terminals. This is the difference between a two-way light switch and an intermediate light switch. If you need an intermediate light switch, you'll have 3 or more locations where you control your lighting circuit from. If you have 1 or 2 locations, you can use this module, which is a two-way. Plate back on when you've finished your install. Any questions at all, feel free to reach out on trendyswitch.com, our socials and our phone number. Thanks for watching.